Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got this Porsche Macan Turbo that customer dropped off so we can actually look at the actual oil leaks on the car. So we have gone through the whole car. Just want to show you the oil leaks underneath. On this part here, on the right hand side. If you go across again, here on this side here as well. So what I found is the actual first thing we're going to do is the one that's really obvious and always leaking on the actual Macan is a front cam sensor seal. There's two on per bank, two seals on the front, on both of them. It's really hard to see them underneath here, but I'm trying to get my phone up so I can zoom in. Try this side here. Alright, if you look at that part there, it's very hard to see because the actual, trying to zoom in. See that part there? That's the cam sensor. There you go. That part there. So I'm gonna zoom in a bit more. It's hard. But the cam sensor is basically about there. So anyway, so I'll show you from top. I'll come down and I'll show you from top anyway. But just want to show the bottom part first and then we'll come down. Okay, just want to show you what I mean. This is the top of the engine. This is the cam sensor there. Alright. And they leak from underneath the seal. It's hard to see from here, but you can actually see the leak from underneath the car. You see more. This side here is a bit hard because there's actual things in the way, but just want to show you where they are. They're at the front of the car, this side here and that side there. Alright, so we're gonna get some new seals and replace that and clean everything up from underneath, and then we'll double check the oil filter housing as well. If you look at the mirror, it's really hard because of the angle, but you can see a lot of oil there. There. Alright, we'll do that first, clean the car down and then double check it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.